be confidential, and the interference of third party will not be tolerated. Second is you have to know about some fee. Our fees, it is about 50,000 per hour. But you have said about our subordinate code. So and this is the first time of it in this firm. So you are fee. But you want us to retain as a lawyer, then you have to pay. Okay, so you can.
On the basis of sexual harassment, please tell me the procedure on the basis of sexual harassment in which I can do something.
Yeah. See, first of all, I have considered the sexual harassment case instead of contract, because I have thought that contract is in lead. See, the sexual harassment case should be filed by the woman victim to a designated officer and also to employer, and they can file to the under sexual harassment sexual harassment case of women at workplace under the Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act of 2013. In addition to this, FIR can be filed, and even you can approach to the labor court also.
Actually, I am confused whether it is sexual harassment or not.
Yeah. See, according to Supreme Court definition, what the Supreme Court has given a definition to abolish the ambiguity of this case, the Supreme Court has said that any harassment which is in physical contact, if any is subject to another person during the intimacy like grabbing, pinching, pushing, etc., has to be intermediate, and the whole case has to be taken into consideration, whether directly or by implication. The intimacy had been done by any showing pornography, sexually favor, or showing demand for any sexually favor. So this has been considered by the Supreme Court in this case. So this has been taken to avoid the ambiguity to such a case like yours.
Please tell me section 3 of the IPC. Okay, according to section 354 of the IPC, if anyone tries to outrage your modesty or
Modesty or outrage modesty, section 354 describes that if any woman out of her modesty and if any person tries to consider modesty, then it has been prescribed that the description of 2 years and with 5 and 8.
is it related to a contract act or like some limitation of the contract? You will have to look into the findings of your contract. Here the company and you have been embarrassed both. So you will have to see whether it's a case of contract act, and if there's nothing mentioned about it, like there's nothing mentioned about
Regarding the process of the case and the termination, then it can be closed. See, generally the termination must following criteria: first, inefficiency; second, violation of confidentiality provision; third, breach of contract; fourth, misconduct; and fifth is the termination should be reasonable. But here, in this case, I don't think that there is reasonable doubt in the minds of the reasonable person.
So is there any case?
Yeah, exactly. In the case of State of UP versus Kaushal Shukla, the citation is 1991 SC 691. The termination may occur due to the several reasons, because of the employee-centric or because of the organizational reasons. So, for the purpose in which the termination has been caused, it has to be assumed in a greater significance. So, the employer has to take a necessary step before the termination has been implemented.
Sir, right now I'm jobless person. So is there any provision regarding this?
See, Ms. Pinky, if clause says unless you agreed the employment at will, the employment shall be terminated by will, and not to worry about a repercussion in that, because the termination which has been taken into consideration by you and by your company has been tolerated at the same time. So, first let me ask you, have you signed the contract? Okay. So we should know that any agreement which is not associable law is totally valid. And one thing also, the management should not suffer from any vindictiveness and capricious attitude. In case of dismissal for misconduct and any other activity, the tribunal court, however, should not act as a court of appeal and substitute its own judgment at the management. It will interfere first when there is a violation, second when there is a violation of breach, when there is a victimization of the process, and fourth is the material having a basis and covers conduct. So, and you can refer, we have drafted the petition for you, so you can refer it. So by this we have told you every steps, provision and procedure. We hope you will do the same. And if you find somewhere you have any question or anything else abrogated, you can come to us again, and we will definitely help you in the procedure. And we hope that you will do the same.